Alright, now we go for 6-cup green belt, one yo, dealing with the fundamental movements that are in this pattern. It's quite a few stances, very little strikes though, a few new blocks. So the first thing actually about one yo is a different type of chumbi. This is a closed ready stance, but it's called moa jumbi. Moa jumbi soji. Type A. Soji is the stance. Moa jumbi is closed ready. And the hands are here in front of the face. Don't extend it too far. Not right in front of the face like this either. Roughly, depending on everybody's different size, somewhere between 5 and 8 inches. Also, the left fingers are on the knuckles of the right hand. Thumb on thumb, here, here, and all the way down. Now it's going to be a little bit awkward for some people. Some are going to have very long fingers and they extend like this way. You're going to get used to it. Just try to relax it here, this way, instead of just closing the hand completely like this. Here, this way. Okay? So, closed ready stance, type A, feet are together, like this. So the first new movement we have in one yo is the inward knife hand strike. Don't get this confused with coming a different side of your hand. This is still the outward, the main knife hand muscle here. It's just instead of going outward and to the side, we come inward. But this is not a completely front type strike because we're doing it in an L stance. So I got my L stance here. This is also an obverse strike. The L stance, the weight's here, so this hand being the same side is an obverse strike. This would be reverse. You could do reverse in this situation, but that the person's coming at you from the front this way, you want to strike into them instead of striking them past you, which would be more of a throw. So here you go, hands start here, 1, come open, and then in, 1, 2. The angle of your body and of your face, your eyes, and of your hand is all going on a 45-degree angle. Don't have it come around to the front or not enough just to the side like this way. It's on the angle here. Same level as your neck. That's the person you're facing, striking them on the neck. Next we got the bending ready stance. This is one of the hardest stances to do besides L stance. You're on one foot, that's pretty much why. But you here, so I'm looking forward this way. My left foot is pointing 90 degrees to my left. My right knee is up, but it's not directly pointed to the front. It's about 15 degrees up. Still generally it's going to the front. The leg I'm standing on is bent. And the foot that I'm going to kick with my right leg, my right foot is right next to my knee. I want the bottom of my foot right next to the knee. Don't lean on it this way. Just have it right next to it. So we transition here, bending ready stance, with the forearm guarding block. Up here, prepared to do our side kick. Hands are crossed, and then we go out this way, kicking and punching. See the angle of this hand is up, not low like this way, up. Here, other hand is here next to your belt. In, sine wave down into the next movement. Also in the one yo pattern, we have the circular block. Has two functions. To do the circular capture of a frontal attack, mainly like a front kick, capture it and to swoosh it over so that your opponent loses their balance. But it's also a block here against one person and a block here. So you got two attackers. One doing a front kick, boom. One doing a punch, boom. Block, block. Now the main purpose, the main final position for this block, you want it actually below your shoulder. You have to relax the shoulder. A lot of people are like this way. Got to really learn how to relax. Okay? So this is done in walking stance. Here. Start the hands here. down, up, down. See how the shoulder is high? This one's low, and this hand is even lower.